Let's show you what we got going on here. We are actually in the process of custom making a beautiful modern kitchen that's going to be in matte black, full integrated stuff, really amazing. I'm going to show you what's going on here, and then I'm going to share some of the design rendering that I put together for the client so you can kind of get an idea of the end result. We're starting out here with the actual island. This island is going to be 163 inches long by 60 inches deep with overhang. And it's going to have a sink, dishwasher, a cooktop, a wine cooler, and tons of storage space with some integrated accessories. Come on in. The guys here are laying out the base of how the kitchen is going to be put together. This is one portion of the wall that's an L shape that's going to have a double oven, some nice cabinetry with glass, sink below the window, and some other pantry cabinets. There's also going to be a very long wall that's going to go in between to the right of this, which is going to be the refrigerator and some other pantries. And there's going to be a nice bench that connects in between. Stay along and take a look at the design rendering.